Hello, dear students. Welcome to our English class. My name is Tatyana Butorac, and I will be your teacher today. Today's topic is very important. It is about the future of our planet. This lesson is for grade 6. I truly hope you will enjoy the time we spend together during this lesson. In today's lesson, you will name various natural and ecological disasters. You will listen to a text regarding the future of our planet, and you will list a number of activities that can help make life on planet Earth better. For this lesson, you will need the following: a notebook, a pen or a pencil, a laptop, a tablet, or a smartphone with strong internet connection, and a QR code scanner. Bear in mind that you can pause and play the video lesson again whenever you find it necessary to do so. Work at your own pace. All right, children, are you ready? Now let's begin. We'll start with a riddle. Can you guess it? I'm the third planet from the sun. I'm more than 4.5 billion years old. A billion means miliarda. People also call me Terra, the globe, the world. I consist of oceans of water, land, and life. I am? Can you guess? That's right, planet Earth. Well done. Look at the calendar. It's April. In April, there are two special days for me. One is my birthday, April the 20th. And the other important day is April the 22nd. Why is that day so special? Because it's Earth Day on April the 22nd. Earth Day takes place every year on April the 22nd in order to show support for environmental protection. Takes place, happens, odvija se. It all started back in 1970. The goal is to increase awareness of environmental problems, to raise, podići. Communities get together to clean up litter, plant trees, or just admire the beauty of nature. Communities, zajednice, to admire, diviti se. So this is a very important day, children. I hope you agree that our planet is simply amazing. Now please take a moment to enjoy the beauty of our planet. Look at how lovely it is. Now you can listen to this wonderful song. Enjoy. Unfortunately, there are many situations nowadays that are slowly destroying planet Earth and causing a lot of problems. Here are just some of them: air pollution, waste disposal, drought, water pollution, global warming, floods, deforestation, plastic pollution. Here we have the explanations of the words and phrases I have just read. Cutting down trees, long periods with no rain, periods of too much rainfall, long-term heating of planet Earth's climate because of human activities, because of what people do, throwing away litter, such as plastic bottles, glass bottles, old tires, used food packages, in nature, and that is bad for the environment. Polluted air that can harm people, animals, and plants. polluted water that can harm people, animals, and plants. To harm, naštetiti. A lot of plastic objects in the Earth's environment. Now, children, I would like you to pause this video lesson. Read the words and phrases once again, and then match them with the explanations here. After that, copy everything in your notebooks. All right, children, now let's check your answers. Are you ready? Here they are. So we have cutting down trees, deforestation, 1G. Long periods with no rain, drought, 2C. Periods of too much rainfall, floods, 3F. Long-term heating of planet Earth's climate, global warming, 4E. Throwing away litter in nature, and that is bad for the environment, waste disposal, 5B. Polluted air that can harm people, animals, and plants, air pollution, 6A. Polluted water that can harm people, animals, plants, water pollution, 7D. And finally, a lot of plastic objects in the Earth's environment, plastic pollution, 8H. Well done, children. All right, children. Now let's see if you can recognize different natural and ecological disasters. Look at the pictures carefully. What do you see? Here are some more pictures. All right, now take your time. Think. Ready? Let's start. Picture number 1. That's right, drought. What about picture number 2? Correct, floods. And picture number 3? Exactly, water pollution. What about picture number 4? That's right, air pollution. And now number 5, global warming. And picture number 6 is, that's right, waste disposal. What about picture number 7? Correct again, plastic pollution. And the last picture is deforestation. Excellent, children. You can recognize different natural and ecological disasters. Dear students, here is a game you can play to revise the vocabulary. Go to bit.ly/ourplanetfuture6 or use your QR code scanner. Have fun. Dear students, I want to ask you a question. What does the future hold? What will happen in the future? Think for a moment. Look around you. Look at what is happening. What will happen to our planet in the future? What do you predict? Please pause this video lesson for a moment and write down some of your thoughts in your notebooks. So, children, what do you predict? What will happen in the future? For example, I think there will be more pollution, but I also think that people will take care of nature more. Scientists predict that there will be more droughts, famine, sea level rise, respiratory diseases, climate change, overpopulation, and heat waves. Now let's check the meaning of these predictions in Croatian. More droughts, long periods of time with no rain. Yes, više suša. Famine, a lot of hunger. Correct. Glad, sea level rise, when the level of sea goes up. That's right, porast razine mora. Respiratory diseases, problems with breathing. Correct, bolesti dišnog sustava. Climate change, so when things are different in the climate. Yes. Klimatske promjene. Overpopulation, a lot of people. Yes. Prenapučenost ljudima. And heat waves, when it's very, very hot for a certain period of time. Correct. Toplinski valovi. So, scientists predict that there will be more droughts and more famine. They predict that the sea level will rise, there will be respiratory diseases, the climate will change, there will be overpopulation, and there will be heat waves as well. Children, when we make predictions based on facts, we use the future simple tense. We form the future simple tense with will and the infinitive. Now, children, please pause the video lesson. Copy this in your notebooks. We heard a lot of information, children. How does this information make you feel? Think for a moment. Tell me. Do you feel sad? Do you feel worried? Or maybe disappointed? Are you angry? Or perhaps shocked? Maybe you're even furious. I feel worried, I feel angry, and I feel very sad. However, children, we won't be pessimistic. We'll be optimistic because we can make a change. A girl I know named Natalie wrote about the changes people can make for the future of our planet. You will listen to Natalie's text. After listening, you will answer 2 questions. Question number 1, what will happen to our planet in the future according to the documentary? And question number 2, what will Natalie do to make a change? Now, children, please pause the video lesson. Copy the questions in your notebooks and then answer them after listening to Natalie's text.
Dear Diary, what a day! In science class, we watched a documentary about the future of our planet. I was quite surprised. Scientists predict that in the future there will be more and more people and the planet will become overpopulated. Unfortunately, there will be many heat waves and droughts. Because of that, there will be less food and famine will be a huge problem. The sea level will rise. Climate change will be one of the main reasons for all these problems. It sounds scary, but I think everyone can make a change. The question is how. We must take baby steps. For example, I will buy less clothes. When I go shopping, I will use a cloth bag. I will turn off the light when I'm not in the room. And I will definitely skip taking a long bath. I'll take a shower instead.
I hope you enjoyed listening to Natalie. Let's check your answers. Question number 1. What will happen to our planet in the future according to the documentary? That's right. There will be overpopulation, heat waves, droughts, famine, sea level rise, and climate change. And question number 2, what will Natalie do to make a change? Right again, Natalie will buy less clothes. She will use cloth bags, she will turn off the light, and she will take a shower instead of a bath. Great job, children. And finally, it's your turn, children. Predict what else will change in the future. What can you do to make a change? What can you do to make a difference? Give some ideas. I know you have a lot of them and that you're very creative. The pictures can help you. Look at them. Make a poster about the changes and put it on your wall so you can always see it. It will remind you of the importance of change. And now it's time to reflect on today's lesson. I want you to think of 3 things that stuck with you after today's lesson. I want you to think of 2 questions you still have, and I want you to think of 1 thing you have learned. We'll end this lesson with a quote by Wendell Berry. The earth is what we all have in common. This is the end of today's lesson. Until next time, take care and stay safe. Goodbye.